Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Aries Placement. So, this is your mid-month love reading. Okay, ngayong October. Okay, so this is your the person on your mind love reading. Okay, so yun. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yes, don't forget na mag-follow sa ating pong FB page. And kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, message lang po tayo sa ating pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, that's Fia Saro. Same name, same address. Okay. Aris. Anong meron? Who is the person on your mind? Pero, syempre, kuha muna tayo dito. Energy. Okay, ano bang meron dito sa ating oracle deck na ito? Ano bang pwede? Ano bang meron pagdating sa mga Aries placements? Okay, Sun, Moon, Rising. Yeah. Okay. So, yes. Okay. Oh, only you. Oh, devoted, attached, and crave. Okay. Only you. Isa pa. Why only you? Okay. Why only you? Oh! Aries. Second chance. Oo. Reconciliation, making amends, and opportunity. Ooh! Anong meron pagdating ng mid-month? Okay. Mid-October. Okay. So, dito ka muna. So, tayo tumungo sa tarot. Okay. So, ang tanong, Aries, who is the person on your mind? Okay. May nag-message lang. Okay. The person on Aries mind. Anong meron? Anong meron? The Page of Wands. Oh. They want a new start. They want a new beginning with you. Yes. Okay. Pwede yung fire sign like you. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. Page of Wands. Ooh, and the Star in reverse. Yun nga lang, hindi pa sila totally healed. Yes. Okay. So, ano bang meron sa situation? Anong meron sa sitwasyon nyo, Aries? The Five of Cups in reverse. Wanting to make amends. Okay, wanting to reconcile. Like, wanting to fix everything. Okay, now, the Knight of Wands in reverse. Okay, yun nga lang. Ang nakikita ko din ay talaga naman. Oo. Okay, wala ako nakikita ditong parang may pagbabago. Kung ano siya noon, yun pa rin. Yes, okay. The person on your mind, kung gusto man niya na bumalik, yun pa rin siya. Ha? Yun pa rin. Ang nakita ko kasi sa sitwasyon, yeah, there's separation, I guess, for some of you because of the death. Okay? So, kung wala man, ang nakikita ko lang dito is like, parang hindi nagle-level up. Walang seryosohan. Moment. Oh, walang seryosohan dito sa connection na to. Play lang, ganyan. Okay? So, yeah. Nagkaroon ng on-off, ganyan. So, hindi siya nagbago. Kung ito, babalik man. Okay? Kung kayo, Aris, ito ha, kung kayo ang parang nangangailangan sa kanya, parang gusto nyo pa rin bumalik itong ganitong tao, ano bang meron, Aris? Ha? Anong meron? Yun ang tanong. Anong meron? Anong meron sa Knight of Wands in reverse? Ano yun? Bakit hindi nyo kayang alisin to? Bakit hindi nyo kayang alisan? Ha? Some of you talagang attracted na attracted eh. Yeah. Okay. Sabi nung narinig ko, the sex is good. Gustong gusto yung isang part, oo, ng body. Ano? Oo, yun ang nakikita ko. My God, oh. Kaya hindi maalisan. Well, ano bang emosyon nito sa'yo? Anong emosyon niya sa'yo? Anong emosyon niya? Aries. See, the Two of Swords. Indecisive as F. Yeah. Indecisive. Confused. Can't decide. Why? Why the Two of Swords? The King of Cups in reverse. Actually, ang tumitibok dito sa taong ito hindi naman puso. Iba. Iba yung tumitibok sa kanya. Utak. Okay? Kaya to babalik. May chance na bumalik to. Lalandiin ka na naman, Aries. Hindi niya kaya maging open pagdating sa emosyon. Hindi niya kaya maging available emotionally. Tingnan natin ano bang kanyang next action towards you. The Ten of Swords. Okay, why the Ten of Swords? The Five of Wands in reverse. Okay, nakakita ko rito ng kahit may ending, okay, pipiliin niya pa rin yung ending. Pero, gusto niya magkaayos kayo. Okay? Nakikita ko, iba sa inyo, itong taong ito, may nilalanding iba. Pero hindi ka nito kayang alisin or alisan because of the, I don't know. Okay, kanya-kanya. Kanya-kanya kayo. Kung anong dahilan, kanya-kanya. So, ang nakikita ko lang, next action ng taong ito is still the separation nandoon, pero makikipag-ayos to. Okay? Yes, ayos tayo. We're okay, pero the separation is there. Still. Yes. Okay? Hindi totally na parang okay? No. Outcome. Yung outcome nyo ng taong ito. The Page of Swords. Okay, so only communication. Okay? At the bottom of the deck is the Nine of Swords. This is what? Overthinking. Overthinking. Ang dami pa ring tanong pagdating ng taong to. Magbabalik nga, pero iisipin mo sana hindi na lang. Wala rin naman eh. Okay? What's with the Page of Swords? This is communication lang, Okay? See, the Three of Swords. Nandun pa rin kasi eh. Wala itong kayang i-offer sa'yo kundi landian, Aries. Sa totoo lamang, outcome ninyo, connection, or sabihin natin communication. Only communication. Second chance. Tingnan natin itong second chance na ito. I-clarify natin ito. Why second chance? So, siguro nga, because of the alam mo na. Pero, walang commitments at all. Ano tong second chance? Yeah, see? The Page of Pentacles in reverse. This is, sabihin nating, delay. Okay? A delay. Yeah. Nandyan nga, pero hindi totally. Okay? Walang clarity. Yes. Okay? So, yun lang. Ang nakikita ko ngayong mid-October for you, Aries. So, tingnan natin all signs. Okay. Aries through Pisces. Bakit ba sobrang dilim? Ano bang mayroon? Okay. So, yeah. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Sharararan. Aries. Oh, coming back. Tapos iiwan ka ulit. Yes. Taurus. So, there's tension. They're healing. Gemini. Okay. Manifesting. A reconciliation, I guess. A comeback. Okay. Cancer. Okay. No communication. Black messages. Okay. So, I think, tawag dyan, mas gugustuhin pa niya na hindi kanya kausapin. Parang ganyan. For, their peace of mind. No? Oh, ayaw na ng conflict. I don't know why. Kung bakit. So, if ever, kung ikaw nga ito na hindi mo kailangan kausapin to para sa peace of mind mo, do it. Okay? Story siya na yun. Leo. So, si Leo, okay. So, I think masaya siya sa'yo, pero every time, nakakuha ko ng energy kay Leo na parang madali siya magsawa. Yes. Kailangan ka lang pag kailangan ka. Mga ganyan. Pag okay na siya, alis na. Virgo, they're stalking you. They want you. Okay. Ano ba? Bakit ang daming hair lalu? Aries, Gemini, Cancer, Leo. Libra. Okay. So, si Libra, hinahayaan lang nito na meron kayong ending. Gusto na niya ng pagbabago. Scorpio, a lot of drama. Some of them, may gumagawa pa ng spell dito. Okay, manifesting, o i-comeback, pero nandyan pa rin yung drama. Mga ganyan. Manipulation. Okay? Sagittarius. Okay. So, ngayong may separation, I think may separation kayo with the Sagittarius. They're like regretting, no? Capricorn. So, ngayon, focus sila sa sarili nila. Ayaw nila ng connection with you. Aquarius, manipulator. Okay, manggagamit to. Yeah. Pisces, okay, so they're open pagdating sa cooperation. Yeah. Parang anything na kailangan gawin, gagawin nila. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, there. Yun ang ating reading for Aries placements ngayong mid. Okay? Mid-October. So, yeah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you!